fire. Ooh, pretty colors. Alright, y'all. I'm about to get back to the cousin's house. Dude, I'm gonna beg my mom to take us to Northbridge. Dude, you have to get there wicked early though, because it fills up wicked quick. Dude, in Boston, people camp out in the morning.
Yeah, they have to get there early. What if you have a boat? We can go right on the water.
What do you mean early? You're talking about 5 or 6 in the morning.
Or earlier, even.
Whoa.
I died.
I died.
Oh shit.
Oh, dude, that's awesome. I didn't think that was supposed to happen for a second.
I know, me too.
I got kind of scared. I got kind of nervous for a second. Dude, that's awesome.
I know.
Rolling candles.
That was not the grand finale, just so you guys know.
Yeah, I know, I'm not stupid.